you guys? It's your girl Victoria Cerrone, and today I will be unboxing my present from Green Blender. I'll drop their Instagram below. So this is going to be interesting. Green Blender is a smoothie company in which they deliver smoothies to your house every week with fresh ingredients. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, they have gluten-free options, and I'm just excited to see what's inside this box. I'm ready to get in these smoothies. Summer's coming, time to look good, time to get this nutrition and diet together. So I'm really excited for this partnership. So let us see what is inside. I got this box really fast. It came in less than a week, if I'm not mistaken. The customer service reps were super helpful. They answered any questions that I had, and they were on time with their delivery. Alright. Green Blender proudly delivers superfood ingredients and original smoothie recipes. Please refrigerate. Fall in love with your health. Well, alright. So everything is cold, that's good. Alright. So they gave a few tips and trick guidelines, and they provided recipes for this week. So I'm going to be doing a smoothie challenge this week, and I will be making each one of these smoothies this week, having some taste testing, and then you guys know what I think. Oh, this is cute. So it also tells you on the recipe what the benefits of each smoothie are. So they'll tell you which ones are high in protein, immune system boosting, energy, high fiber, anti-inflammatory, good to calm you, low sugar, low calorie, or ooh, glow. I want to glow! Okay, we about to make a glow smoothie, because you see this highlights glowing. We about to glow. So, alright, let's see what this is saying. This card shows you all of the recipes for the week, including the 5 you selected. We hope you love the recipes you picked, and you can continue to customize your future boxes at their website. Now on to the smoothies that'll give you the kind of all-day energy you need to get everything done. We got some bananas that are on their way to becoming ripe. Oh, everything is like packaged out. Oh, this is super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm about to be, it's a little squash. Oh, I'm about to be trying some new things. This is exactly what I needed, because my life is pretty boring. I pretty much just drink like chocolate protein smoothies every day, and the occasional fruit smoothie. So it's about time. I got squash! Like, okay, let's be drinking a squash. Let's go. So, what else is in here? So this one with the squash, I think it's a squash. Why should not even be a squash? Let me make sure. One organic summer squash. It's a squash. Okay. So this is for the matcha latte smoothie. And it looks like these are collard greens. It has powder matcha tea. And it has the squash. And then we'll follow the recipe to see what else we need. I have strawberry banana creamsicle. And this package has fresh strawberries. This looks like a orange, some sort of granola, and some of their powder that's in there. We'll get to that. I'm really excited that everything is still cold. Everything seems really fresh. It looks really right. I got another squash. Y'all are really about to have me being healthy. I'm excited. Wow, I don't even eat squash, but new things. This one is Kale Grape Escape, and it has, what is this? I see grapes, I see a squash, I see some sort of vegetable, it's like kale, and this powder Bow, bad, bow, when y'all see this word, y'all gotta understand why I can't say it. But anyway, we're gonna look this up because I don't know what that is. But we also have green and goldberry boost. This looks like it has some greens in it as well. I see pears, I see cherry tomatoes and orange. So basically what they do is they give you ingredients so that you can make a week worth of smoothies, 5 days, and each one makes 2 servings. So that's really 10 smoothies. So you should really be good throughout the week. Coconut ginger infusion. I see carrots. They have ginger and apple and some greens. Oh, they're really good. They gave me a milk. It's gluten-free, soy-free, fat-free, easy to digest, non-GMO, certified organic, lactose-free, kosher, cholesterol-free. It's good for you. It's good for you. I don't see nothing that could possibly be wrong with all those things not in it. This is an organic rice dream rice drink. So I'm sure that'll go into our smoothies as well. And everything was sitting on a bed of ice. It's still frozen, so yeah, everything's still really fresh. So let's figure out which one I will be making for day 1. Comes this cute little pack. Okay, so everything is already pre-portioned. The recipe does call for things like 1 and 1 ounce. And I'm assuming since it's already in this little baggie, this is 1 and 1 ounce. It's important to always wash off your fruits and vegetables. That's from wherever you get them. I like to use nice warm water just to make sure that they're nice and clean. Green Blender does let you know that they don't pre-wash their fruits and vegetables, and that's actually just to make sure that they stay a little bit more fresh during travel, so you wash them as you're about to use them. So let's get started. In the blender they go. So these are washed, they're going into the blender. And my grandma always told me that you should roll out your fruit before you juice or use it because it gets the juices flowing. I don't know if that's true, but if my grandma said it, it's true. So I'm gonna roll out this orange. One pear chopped. Okay, in they go. 1 teaspoon of camu powder. So, let me rose. Alright, lastly, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of ice. Yes, I'm measuring with a wine glass.
Known by a few other names, golden berries have a taste that can be described as mildly acidic with a combination of tomato and pineapple. They're also a great source of beta-carotene and antioxidants. And they add a fun pop of flavor to any smoothie. Camu is a fruit native to South America and has one of the highest amounts of vitamin C per serving. This smoothie will have you glowing.
Alright! It smells really good, guys. It smells so healthy. And you know, I gotta love my wine glass. It don't matter what it is. We can still have it out of the wine glass. And this is the green and golden berry boost smoothie. It's really good. And that made a lot. Honestly, well, when you're drinking out of a wine glass, this is like 3 servings, but it's a A+ for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2.